Hey there, friends! Today we're going to whip up a delicious honey lime fish dish paired with some tasty potatoes and vibrant broccoli. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 spoons of melted butter, garlic powder, thyme, onion powder, hot sauce, soya sauce, honey, salt, paprika, vinegar, Italian seasoning, black peppers, a lemon, baby potatoes, broccoli, and fresh fish fillets. I'm using only 1. Let's prepare our marination. In a bowl with 3-spoon melted butter, I took 1 spoon of garlic powder, thyme, onion powder, now we're gonna add half of spoon Italian seasoning, 1 spoon black pepper, half spoon paprika. Now I'm going to use 2 spoons of soya sauce, 1 spoon hot sauce, and 3 spoons of honey. This will be our tasty marinade. Cut lemon in half and squeeze it in a bowl, and then add salt according to your taste. Mix it well. Marinate your fish in prepared marination, making sure it's well coated. Now take a fork and poke the fish fillet so the spices can go inside. Let your fish rest in marinade for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare our sides. Chop your broccoli to the medium size. Now cut your potatoes into half. Put them in a bowl and use the same marinade we used for the fish. Take baking sheet, spread vegetable oil, and then add potatoes. We will roast our potatoes on high heat for 15 minutes. Once potatoes are halfway done, take them out, add broccoli and the fish with the potatoes. Add your leftover marinade on the fish for more flavor. This time we will bake everything at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And there you have it. A delightful honey lime fish served with roasted potatoes and broccoli. Enjoy your meal and happy cooking!